In this video, we're going over how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy A01 so you can use it with any carrier. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. So the first thing you're going to do is swipe up and go to the settings. Swipe all the way up and go down to About Phone. And then you'll look for the IMEI. You're going to need to write down this number and you'll need it for later on in the video. Next, we're going to go to Google Chrome and we're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts. So first, we're going to select the manufacturer, which is Samsung. Then we're going to select the model, which is going to be the Galaxy A01. Tap Unlock Now. Next, it will ask you some questions about where you purchased the phone. So we purchased this phone in the United States. And the carrier is going to be Metro PCS. Tap on Next. On the last screen, it will ask you to fill out information about where to send your unlocking PIN information. So first, type in your IMEI that we got in the first step of the video. Next, your full name, the email address you want your instructions sent to, and also your contact number. And if you swipe up, you'll see this is what it will cost to unlock the phone. So it normally costs this is what they charge, and this is the average turnaround time. So you just have an idea of when you're going to get a response. Now, one important thing I want to point out for this website is that they have a web support option, they have a toll-free phone number, and they have a number that you can text. One of the best things about this site is that it has strong support, and it also has a 100% money-back guarantee. So if you ever have an issue unlocking your phone and you speak to the live support and they can't unlock it, you will get a full refund. So that's definitely reassuring. For the last step, you will just tap Order Now, and you'll check out with your credit card, and you're gonna wait for them to send you an email with the final instructions on how to unlock the phone as well as your unlocking PIN. Some cases require a PIN, some don't. The process does vary from time to time and based on the phone. So this is as far as I can show you in terms of the steps. But what I can show you is once you get that email, what you will need to do is take out your old SIM card and put in the new SIM card. So find the box of your phone, if you still have it, look for this tool. This is your SIM tool that you're going to use to pop out the SIM card. If you don't have this, find a paper clip and stretch it out, and then just put it right in the hole that is on the left side, or excuse me, on the right side. Pop out your SIM card, and then put in the SIM card for the carrier that you want to use the phone with. In this case, it's going to be a Cricket SIM card. Slide it in. In some cases, it will ask you to restart, so you would tap Restart here. It's going to restart the phone. And lastly, you'll just need to follow the final instructions in the email you get from the unlocking company. So it will walk you through what you need to do to get the phone unlocked. If you have any issues, go back to that website and speak to the live web support. Hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.